Hey, we're Joe Vagari, and we have bought ourselves a big, empty canal boat. Yep, it's quite the project. It's 68 foot long by 12 feet wide, and of course, this is us. The scenery constantly changes, which is quite nice about being in nature, and Bali absolutely loves being outside. It's his favorite thing to do. So stay tuned and subscribe to see how far we get along. Right, so we've just left you at the laundromat and we've already made a cup of coffee. We're setting ourselves up. We're plugging all of our stuff in. We're uploading a video. We're doing quite a bit. So I just need to actually take off a few of these so that you can see what we're doing today. And we're going to start building these walls.
Alright, I got the lights.
Whoa. Christopher's got the lights on. Okay, so yes, today, building walls. I promise it's coming. We are doing it because we need to have a warm room to sleep in and we need a bathroom. So, we're on it today.
Alright guys, basically it's time to measure up. We're going to make basically 2 different frames so that we can have, or actually 3 frames to frame the wall because we have 2 doorways and we're under a bit of a pressure today because South Africa's playing Wales at 20-6, so we've got to get this done. Rugby, baby! World champions!
Another delay! Come on!
It's Guinness time! Alright, no, I'm joking. Alright, let's get it done. So we're going to build that wall first, I think, so we can fix it to the wall. And then we'll move on from there.
After much discussion, we've actually decided to go for 2 pocket doors in the bedroom. One that will slide into the bathroom and the one that actually opens up into our bedroom. So Christopher's on that now. It took us only about 45 minutes to discuss it.
In here, like this.
And then when you're sitting on that side, and I'm sitting on this side and you want to get up, you decapitate yourself.
On what? There's a wall here.
Yeah, exactly.
Make it round.
It's coming straight down.
Alright, take the bath, throw it away. You're just putting a shower here.
Are we gonna do the wall in here like that?
If you want. These are the decisions we have to deal with.
I'm only little. You come and stand with ways.
So, is this wall solid?
Yes.
So why don't you put the bath on this wall?
Simply because of the plumbing ease.
Oh, don't worry about the plumbing ease.
Where are you gonna put the plumbing in?
Under the floor. Okay, the way a boat works.
How? It floats.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Marvelous.
End of the story.
End of story. Fabulous.
No, let me explain this to you, okay? So, we're going to cut a hole in the floor and we're going to put a sump. Then, basically it drains from your sink and your bath and everything
Yes, with a pump.
into the sump. And then the sump pumps it out. So the pipework can go up hills. It doesn't have to be like a house.
But we're starting the walls and it's very exciting. I just hope everything goes to plan. And by the end of today, we will have a wall, but no doors. But still a wall, nonetheless.
Okay, so basically what we decided is when we plywood line this boat, we're going to end the door right up against the plywood and we're going to cut to the contour of the boat so we can get maximum width. And we'll have our pocket door slide into the wall. So basically that means it's going to start from here. We're going to go for 547 width doors. Okay, we'll take this somewhere here. That's 547 from there as well. So basically between the wall will have enough space for both doors to slide if they want it to be open at the same time.
Two butts up against each other, basically.
No, there'll still be a gap in the center, which is fine.
Okay, cool.
Alright, what a time to be alive. We finally have all the pieces. Like we literally have the screws.
We have the screws, check.
We have the bits, we have everything.
Check.
I feel like the stars are aligning today.
I want to see the stars right now. We got things to do.
These pieces.
Should we lift it up to see if it fits?
No, it'll fit. Where's the fade? It'll fit, it'll fit. Funny moment coming up. This fits. Now that's the first wall. Now we just got to screw it down and fix it to the seating as well. There's timber here, right? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, there's a piece of it.
Love it when a plan comes together.
We have a wall, Molly! Look! A wall! Alright, what do you think?
I mean, it looks okay.
You mean it looks like a stud wall?
It does. It's like me, babe.
A stud wall.
Alright, cool. And it's pretty strong.
Oh my gosh. Well, we know it's strong if you can hold on to it.
I mean, this is not amazing, but it's, it's going to be covered up, so.
Should have shoved a piece in.
It's good enough, you know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Alright, I think the next thing we're going to do, we're going to let's chop the panels. We'll put the panels on the inside, then we'll put the insulation. We're going to do 9mm on the inside of the room so we can hang a TV here and all sorts of other stuff. And on this side we'll put 4mm.
Because it's just
still going to
pocketing the
build another
doors.
pocket chair, and then we can mount stuff to that wall. So that's the plan.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. I look in your eyes. It tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Christopher did such an amazing job. Now to screw it in. And we might just have to plane this just ever so slightly. But it's not too shabby. Considering we have a full-on bed here, we have everything in the way. We didn't screw it to the back first before we put it up like stupid people. But we like to make things hard for ourselves. And yeah, I'm loving. Can we put the TV up tonight?
Oh yes, that's definitely going to Well, actually, to be honest, I would have loved to have got a nail gun and used a nail gun, but unfortunately we don't own one as yet.
No.
So
We have to make do with
it's
what
like
we have.
300 and something pounds. So like, we'll wait a
It
little
would have
bit.
made our life a lot
I think we
faster.
should get one. Although Darren did say he can borrow his, so we might just take him up on that offer. But for now, it's working out.
Yeah, look at it. Ooh,
We're pretty excited to get this wall up.
So, screw this piece in, insulate it, cover it with the 4mm, and then we can move on to the next wall. Alright, so the reason we've done this as a double wall with pockets doors is obviously, yes, it is a little bit thicker, but at the same time there's more insulation, it's wider, so you're getting a little bit more sound deadening, and
That's
yes,
about it.
that's about it. That's what we wanted it for.
Okay, so we're dealing with a little bit of a leaking issue.
Well, yesterday when we opened it, I forgot to tape it all up again in the spur of the moment, and now we have wind and heavy rain, and in my corner there, because I haven't taped it or sealed it, it now has a drip. So I'm just
Lucky
catching
we have
it.
this Halloween bucket going.
So I'm just catching that. Anyway,
I mean, it's not an annoying sound at all.
no. Project more insulation. Will we ever be done with insulation? Making this place nice and warm. That's what we want. We want warm. For the moment it's cold. Okay, so that settles phase 3
Yeah, it's just in time
for the rugby.
for the rugby. Although I'm feeling pretty shattered, so maybe it's because we're starving. We haven't eaten all day. So we're gonna go get some dinner, a pint, and watch the rugby. We'll take you guys and show you what it's all about when South Africa smashes Wales.
Now you're laughing, you're like, oh dear.
Although it might be really cold there, you never know the conditions, and Wales is actually pretty good to be fair. So we'll have to see. But let's go check it out.
Right, so we're up early bells this morning. Rugby yesterday we won. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Just want to put that in there quickly. Christopher, you were right. We did win. And we've just taken our rubbish and we've thrown it away because we accumulated quite a bit over 3 days. I'm not sure how, but that's what happened. So we've thrown it away. And now we're going to head back and complete our walls today.
We'll give them.
Right, gloving up, getting ready to work.
Yeah, our gloves are coming on, not off. Alright, so yeah, we're going to try and double these walls. Just need to figure out how much timber we have, but we're going to just crack on anyway, do a little bit, get some more timber if we have to.
So in true fashion, we've taken about another 45 minutes to decide what's going where. Just before we build this wall, because we need to make sure like it's where we want it to be.
Let's be honest. Just tell everyone honestly, you're so indecisive. You just want it to be perfect.
I want it to be
So I'm
perfect.
standing here holding the tape for the last 30 minutes while you decide what you want to do.
Anyway, so we've actually got like a little layout, alright? So we've got our bath, okay? We then have our toilet. I've been using stuff that we have in the birds just so you can feel the space. And then we have our basin, which I'm using a suitcase. So we kind of got a good feel. So you can be like, okay, we're going to have a door here to go into this room, which makes sense, yes. We're going to have all of our plumbing running straight down here, right to the outlet pipe, which is perfect. And then we're going to put our toilet over here, you know, and this is our entrance. So I think this is a good layout. You walk in, it's a sort of a free flow, and you have enough space for when you get out the bath to rub yourself down, you know, mix stuff dry. And yeah, I think this is it. So we're going to go for it. So we're going to put this wall up exactly where we need it to be now, and then we can move forward to the next room. So the next one will take another 45 minutes for us to decide how it's going to be.
No ways. That's definitely not going to happen because I can't do it again. Alright, let's get to it. Just trying to suck up all the sawdust, but forgot to put the hoover on, so the vacuum is not going to vacuum anything if it's off. Woo, too funny. Alright, so that's our first piece. Over here.
Why didn't you make it go to the roof?
Because you still need another piece up here.
Oh yeah.
Come on, babe, I'm smarter than that.
You
She's
can
literally
say
got
so.
zero faith in me. Zero faith.
I do, I have like a little bit, just a little bit.
All the timber, and I thought we would leave it on here and slowly take it as we need it to save space in the van. So that's what we're doing. I now need some more, so I'm going to quickly grab a few pieces.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
So we got this wall up. It's really starting to come together, won't it?
It literally is the weirdest thing, because as soon as this wall went up, I was like, oh, it's a house! It feels like a house!